Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Shirogorov Custom Division F95 Antique here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have here, because this is a beautiful piece and we're gonna be just checking it out quickly. It's a fantastic knife. It's a Shirogorov Custom Division. It's not like a production one. It's a titanium frame lock, bronze anodized, 3D milled scales in a beautiful, beautiful way. Copper pivot collar on both sides, nice frame lock, titanium pocket clip. Overall length of this guy is gonna be 8.75 inches with a 3.85 inch long blade. Truly a fantastic knife. It's not a cheap one. This is a custom division, so it's gonna run you around $2,500, roughly. Depends on the market, on the condition, and all that. This is the bronze anodized titanium frame lock, beautiful drop point blade, 3.85 inch long blade, S90V steel, fantastic jimping, nice drop point, dual tone blade, classic sharpening choil, classic Shirogorov plunge grind. The sound that this guy makes, it's beautiful. I love the closing sound of this guy. It's one of the nicest closing sound knives I've ever experienced. It's so pleasant. This guy weighs in at 4.6 ounces in the pocket, has a 3D milled titanium pocket clip with hidden hardware right over here. Fit and finish is just stellar. Great feeling in the hand. Zero hot spots. This guy is running on single row roller bearings, and the action on the F95 Antique is I don't know, you have to try one of these knives, guys, because it's purely fantastic. Like, the action on roller bearings is this smooth. It's this gliding shot. It's this fantastic. So, I mean, I'm really in love with this one, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to check out my full-length review. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned.